Leopard spot.
That's the banana.
Hey.
The banana.
Banana.
I like it.
Do you?
It's fine. I like it. Yeah, it's
It's what it is.
it's hot though.
Oh, thank you.
Tom, everything. Oh my God, Tom.
James, is this your soul date with a black slip?
Yeah, black slip and ash. The whatever. Yeah, you call it black slip now, right?
Yep, Black Magic Slip.
Black magic slip and the ash glaze sprayed over.
Amy's ash.
Amy's ash. Amy's ass sprayed right over
Hot.
it.
Woohoo! Ooh,
Wow.
tiki turquoise.
Oh my
Over
goodness.
Black Magic Slip.
No,
Man,
no.
that's nice, Tom. Woohoo!
Super duper nice.
And this is
Oh wow. The purple over the
Purple haze.
beautiful.
That's nice, Amy.
Yep. Oh, thank you.
That's super nice.
My gloves got it somewhere. Just my regular gloves.
They were.
Aren't they, are there some over here, Tom, on the
James,
tool chest?
will you put
Oh, yeah.
that into that?
I
Let's
saw
check it
one
out.
over there.
Let's see how it glows. Oh yeah, nice.
Hold it a little higher.
A little bit higher, James. There we go. Kind of get, yeah. Boy, that's nice and translucent. That'll make nice lampshades. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Oh, I found it.
Thank you, sweetie.
We're gonna start loading them up.
Oh, sweetie.
That's great.
That is nice.
Uh-huh.
Turns blue and got some gold speckle in it.
Yeah. Well, now you know it works at least.
It works. It works very good.
I am
So this
tickled
is
by
the
these. They're so
Overglaze
gorgeous.
sprayed on, you know, on the black. That's not the black slip though. That's
Jet black.
yeah. Jet
I
black.
love that.
Yeah, nice.
Those are so beautiful.
I can haul these off pretty quick for you.
Wow, that is gorgeous.
Wow. Let's see. Yeah.
I like how the yellow separates a little bit.
Yeah,
Nice, Tom.
that's nice.
Winter, winter, chicken dinner.
Wiener. Okay, we don't go for a hound, man. It's just weird.
What's wrong, Tom?
Oh, the Shino's not exactly. It's not pulling my arm.